Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to transfer money from Dave to Cash App. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your Dave app. And once you're inside your Dave app interface, be sure to be logged into your account. And once you're logged into your account, what you need to do is tap on the profile icon on the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you're inside your settings page, here you'll be seeing Dave Banking, and under it you'll be seeing your account information. So simply tap on that account information, and once you tap on that, here you'll be seeing your bank details. Now your account number, routing number, account type, and bank name. Right now, all you gotta do is copy the account number by simply holding onto the account number and tapping on copy, or simply tapping on the copy button right beside your account number. And once you have copied it, what you need to do next is open up your Cash App. And once you open up your Cash App, here what you need to do is click on the home icon. And once you click on the home icon, you will be sent to My Cash. Right now, all you gotta do is just simply select bank account. And once you select bank account, here you'll have option to choose your bank. Now just select the bank if it is present in the list, or just simply enter the details manually and paste that account number that you have copied from your Dave Bank. And once it's linked, all you gotta do is just simply tap on $120 on the bottom left corner of the screen. That is your home. And now all you gotta do to add cash is simply tap on add cash. And once you tap on add cash, all you gotta do is enter in the amount that you want to add it to your Cash App. And once you do that, confirm your cash pin and then tap on next. And once you are there, and your amount will be added easily as it is linked to the Dave Bank account. So that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.